all of you. Now, ChatGPT for deep research. See a few ChatGPT deep research. This is very helpful. It is a AI capability designed to perform in-depth multi-step research using data on the public web. Okay, so maybe journals, papers, reports, thesis. It will be searching all and it will be doing some research, and it will be helping you. This particular deep research is better than your professor, sometimes your professor also, because this will in terms of time. Okay, time of how much time it is taking to give you inputs. Okay, generally professor will need some time. Anyone, a top professor also needs some time. Okay, but this deep research can give you quick help. Okay, quick help to understand, okay, about a particular concept and how you can improve it. Suppose one of you want to write a paper, research paper. Suppose one of you want to write a research paper, right? And you got some base paper. You have a base paper. Base paper means already someone has done some research in that particular topic, whether it is a management topic, catering, or supply chain, or AI, or machine learning, or electrical engineering, or ECE, any subject. It can be any subject. They created base paper. Okay, but you want to use this paper and you want to create somewhat advanced paper based on this base paper, but you don't know how to improve this base paper, how to add a value to this base paper, how to improve this, and what are the different things you should do in order to make this base paper into a very advanced paper and to publish it in a journal. Okay, to do that you can use ChatGPT. Okay, I don't know how many of you use this deep research facility provided by ChatGPT. If anyone used, you can raise your hand. Anyone used this deep research here? So I want everyone to just respond if you know about this ChatGPT deep research. So this is a tool, run deep research. So this is actually a tool of it, right? Anyone knows? Please raise your hand if you know about this deep research. Okay, fine. Yeah, Aditya knows. Okay, right, fine. Okay, some of you know. Okay, one or two. Right, I'll show you. So I have taken a one research paper. So some of you might be knowing about research paper. Some of you may not be knowing the research paper about research paper. So electronics. So I see some of you are doctorates, professors. Okay, so you might be knowing better than me. Okay, I'm here just to show you. Okay, all of you. So this is my journal. Suppose this is a base paper. This base paper is AI enabled, efficient, and safe food supply chain. So this is some review is written here. Based on this review paper, I want to create something. I want to do some research and I want to publish some paper. Okay, that is what I want to do. So they have done some tomato yield prediction or something. They have used some techniques in this research paper. Now I want to publish a paper which is very similar but not this advanced than this particular paper. This is the base paper. Okay, but I want to publish a scopus paper or some reputed journal. So to do this, I want some guidance. I need somebody's inputs, because immediately getting help from somebody is very difficult. Okay, so we wait many days, sometimes weeks for getting guidance. But this deep research will help you to get immediate, maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes it will do research and help you. Okay, so I'll be using this paper, right? So what is a paper? Just I'll check. This is a paper, right? Okay, right. So let us go to this, all of you. Right, so I'll take new chart. See, it is always good to use the new chart, because when you use the same chart, what happens, in this chart, everything will be remembered. So from the beginning, it is remembering everything that I'm giving. So if I give this paper also, it will be using some of the data already existing. So it might give some wrong results. Okay, if we see here, when I ask the this prompt, when we use this prompt, actionable steps to improve in machine learning. Actually, it has to give some actionable modes. But what happened, this chat GPT was tricked because of our history. Okay, so it was confused because it thought, see, the person is same, right? So I am typing, so it thinks that I am only the one who is asking all these things. So it will think that the future and the present both are sorry, the past and present are connected. So it is giving me gate also in this. Actually, I did not ask gate, but it is saying gate style MCQs. Why it is keeping gates gate style MCQs for a beginner who don't understand, who needs guidance? They need actually gate style MCQs. Okay, but it is including that. Why? Because of the previous history. So always remember how ChatGPT or any other GPTs work. They take the previous history. So don't, if you already tried different things, suppose so far you tried like biryani you typed, and after some time you typed something like I want to create some curry. So then it will create only biryani related curries, not other things. Okay, all of you, do you understand this? So it is better to use this. Okay, go to the new chart, then it will be a fresh chart where you can ask things. Okay, then it will be good. Okay, love you. Now you will see tools here. So everyone, please work along with me. Okay, this is my recommendation to everyone because I love people who do hands-on. Okay, so we can learn only by doing. Okay, all of you. Right, so you can see here tools. Click on tools, all of you, and go to run deep search. Now I want to attach my paper. See, in actually ChatGPT, you can attach your material. Okay, whatever material you have. So I want to attach my research paper. That is not my research paper, sorry. That was written by somebody, but I want to use that as a base paper. Okay, all of you. Right. So click here to add plus, and then you will see add photos and profiles. Click on this. And now you will see this paper. So I'll be attaching this paper. Okay, right. So this is the paper, right, all of you. So now, as a top research scientist, help me to publish research paper in Scopus Journal. I want to publish in AI for agriculture journal, or AI for food journal. I don't know whether the journals are existing or not, but it can search for us. Okay, so see, all of you, as a top research scientist, help me to publish research paper in Scopus Journal. So that is my prompt. I want to publish in AI for agriculture, AI for or similar. I attached base paper. Use this base paper. But I want to publish more better, high valued research content. So guide me how I can do this. You can write what basically what you want here. So see, all of you, I attached here. I said I want to publish a paper which is better than this paper. That is what I want to say. And suppose if you send this prompt to the ChatGPT, what happens? It is reading documents. Thank you for sharing your base paper. To help you publish more advanced paper in a high impact Scopus Index journal focusing on AI for agricultural food, could you please clarify a few things? Yes, it needs something. So it is asking, okay, where you want to, what you want. Okay, so you need to answer these things. Okay, so if you answer, then it can give you better. Okay, so you can tell. So I'll be telling that crop yield prediction. What kind of AI techniques? Deep learning. And then, do you want to include novel experiments? Include novel experiments. What is your target journal? AI for agriculture. Do you have access to your own data sets? Yes, I have data. Suppose I have data set. Right, I answered all the questions, all of you, and press enter. Great, I will help you develop a high value research paper on crop yield prediction. Okay, so it will be doing research for you, okay, in this domain. It will be taking some minutes. I want everyone to work along with me. This will help you, all of you. It is not just, though it is a 5 minutes or 10 minutes task of understanding this, but you can improve your productivity. Okay, you can boost your productivity in publishing papers, thesis. You can convert your student paper. You can give better student projects, okay, academic projects to the students, and you can publish papers through that also. Because tomorrow I am going to cover how to publish better papers also. Okay, so how to use tools to publish paper within 2 or 3 days. Okay, right. Yeah, it will it will take some time, all of you. Okay, so hope all of you are doing. So I want to see some hands rising. How many of you are doing? How many of you are following or doing this? Yeah, thank you. Yeah, that gives me energy. Nurjia. Yeah, Nazreen, thank you so much. Others, please do respond, all of you. It gives some energy for me. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you all. Yeah, thank you. Right. So it is analyzing. So you can see analyze with Python. It is doing different, what you cannot do in days, it will be doing in minutes for you. Okay, right. So just, you can see what we are doing here. First, I have given paper and I asked what I want to do. So I want to publish a new paper with novelty. Okay, better than the base paper. And it is asking few more questions based on the base paper, because base paper is a review paper actually I have given. So there are different things. There is no fixed methodology there. Okay, so it is asking questions. What specific area or application? Do you want to include novel experiments or data collection in your paper? What kind of AI technique? What is your target journal? Do you have the data set, your own data set? So if you mention all these things, automatically it is creating all of you, right? So see, all of you, the research completed in 11 minutes. And how many searches? 78 searches. Okay, and it read from 78 sources, all of you. And it took about 11 minutes to do the research for us. Okay, so what is the outcome of the research from this deep research? You can see here, deep learning based yield prediction for AI in agriculture, crop yield prediction, emerging research and directions and publication strategy. So how you have to do the research? What is a novel research? Okay, what novelty you can add? So all the details are given here. So to publish a Scopus paper, this novelty is enough. You can read about it. Okay, if it is relevant to you. Okay, so suppose you uploaded a research paper, you got the novel research directions, so you can follow them, because already there are references from where we got these details. All the references also given here. And then advanced deep learning architectures. What are the advanced? Like transformers and attention. These are the new things generally generative AI is using. Most of us know LLMs, large language models, uses transformers and attention. So actually it is recommending us to use that. And there are other algorithms also given, CNN, RNN hybrids. Okay. So see, this is what novel thing you can add. What is the advanced things you can do, okay, to improve the research paper. And also experimental methodology and results presentation. How to do what methodology you have to follow, and results, how to bring the results, how to present them. And target journals. What journals you can target? Okay, AI in agriculture by Elsewhere, that is open access top journal. Precision Agriculture by Springer. This is also one of the best journal you can publish. Computers and Electronics in Agriculture by Elsewhere. Smart Agriculture Technology. So there are recommended journals also given here. Okay, all of you. And best practices and common pitfalls, right? So this is how actually see all these details getting from a guide or a professor is very difficult. Okay, in no time, but you got it in just 11 minutes or 12 minutes. Okay, all of you. So that is possible with AI. Okay, so in the future, start using this deep research. Okay, facility provided in the chat GPT.